Hey, are you tired of slow systems? Are you tired of basically a monopoly over source code and basic control of operating systems and software and development kits? Are you tired of monopolization between Nintendo, like rival Sony, and Nintendo, and even sometimes other scenarios like, I don't know, Apple and other companies? Are you tired of monopolization? Go to Mattolina LLC, founded in 2019. Mattolina LLC is the number one verified business in the world. We're verified, definitely. We're definitely verified. We verify business, obviously, through many means of communication. We have 4.0 stars, but don't worry, we're getting there. We need more reviews, obviously, to make sure. We're closed at 7 p.m. obviously. And guess what? We have Mattolina Operating System. Mattolina Operating System is the open source source of Mattolina. Mattolina Operating System. Get Mattolina OS today. Mattolina OS is the most reliable operating system, Jesus, can't talk today, of the source. It is so reliable that you don't have to worry about updates failing. You get to control how many updates you can do to the operating system itself. We also have a website with other games and etc. You can check out our link below. We also have different stuff like games, software, and all that stuff. But let's get to the operating system. Let's get to the main meat and potatoes, and that is the Mattolina operating system. Let's get it on display. As displayed on a green screen, obviously, which is pretty cool, you can see the operating system itself. This is the base of the operating system. We integrated Bianca AI, which is an artificial intelligence system, which integrate we released the source code of Bianca AI, an open source based on Dialog, obviously, and we open sourced it to make sure that it's open to the public. I mean, anybody can contribute and make Bianca really smart and be smarter than the other AI's competitors. It's like your own human best friend. And the best part is yours. You own it. You own the product. Personally, I believe in ownership. I believe in ownership of the product. I've been doing this since like 2019, and I have no shells at all of the company. And this is coming from a genuine guy. You know, I used to do some weird stuff, and I realized the potential of open sourceness. The problem with most corporations is they make it closed source. They make it closed source, and they think, oh, it's the best thing to do it. And you know, while I care about money, while I do like money and stuff, I do care about what the problem with software. And the software is you don't own the software. I believe in ownership, so I'll give you 50% off if you share Mattolina OS. 50% off. That's a deal right there. You can get 50% off of Mattolina Operating System Pro, which is the $49 if you share it. Only if you share it and share this link or any other referral. If it doesn't work, I don't know. I guess you have to pay $49, but I'm hoping it works. I'm your artificial intelligence. Hope it works. Oh my God, this is new to marketing. Jesus Christ. New to marketing. Sorry for the Christians. Alright, let's get to marketing. So yeah, Mattolina OS. Mattolina Operating System is a pro operating system based on Slack and Debian. To be able to use it, the operating system doesn't need to be a 64 architecture. It uses a USB. Note that you need to create an operating system based on Linux, which should be able to rise the Linux market share. I created this to base the market share of Linux, obviously, because I realized Linux has potential. Linux is competing against gaming. No, obviously you can't do everything, but you can do most things personally. And even if you don't want to switch slowly, you can actually integrate this with Windows, any operating system, except for Mac, because Mac is proprietary. We don't work with Mac because Mac is proprietary. But you can integrate Mattolina OS with Windows. You can install it through easily Windows. Pretty easy, simple steps. Let's show you the instructions how to do it. This is the East-based system. This is what it comes with. Well, USB doesn't come with it separate. It comes separate. You have to get it yourself. You have to buy USB. Let's watch a video, see what you're supposed to do. Let's see how you install Mattolina OS. Like a program for it. Like if you ever, this is from our developer team. Let's see how they made Mattolina OS. Internet Archive one. This is the Internet Archive one. This is the turn file. Internet Archive one. That's outdated. Probably one of the easiest. This is from Windows. Format your. This is how you install Mattolina OS to Windows. Let's see. The fat format is fat, like over I think 32 gigs. While Windows you can't really do that. So. Okay, I put in my passcode, so it's gonna say this. It'll say petition itself. I can show you everything. And then you look like a hacker, man. You look like a hacker boss with using Mattolina Operating System. You can even use it to go on the Tor network and make a Tor node. Anything you like. You can even use Linux for a server. You can use Linux for anything. Web server. I don't know. It's your imagination. Whatever you could do could contribute to Linux. Get Mattolina OS today. Mattolina OS, the most reliable, stable system. Also support Mattolina LLC. We also have a channel too. We also have a business that's verified, and you can check our website in the description right there. And we have other projects, chat. You can chat with friends. using artificial intelligence, and you can go to our new metaverse. We will soon get this in more detail in the next presentation. Lastly is VR development. We are actually working on to make a VR development kit. Now obviously if you made it to long in this video, I gotta applaud you for that, because most people don't watch my stuff because it's crappy. So yeah, I'm gonna show you an example. So we also doing VR development, but we'll talk that more in detail. But another thing we're gonna talk about is Mattolina LLC YouTube channel. We have a YouTube channel that's very reliable and very stable. We created many videos that you can check out. We are on DuckDuckGo, Internet Explorer, anything that is connected to the internet, we're there. And hopefully we don't get dogs, and hopefully we don't. I'm joking about that. We hopefully become very successful and become very reliable, and many stuff. We also do we also have a podcast channel. But I don't want to get into it. It's a lot to handle. Just check out my Mattolina LLC website, and there's everything linked below. We have our deep web, we have everything, shops, everything. We have the theme shop. We even have a shop where we can shop anything, your own software shop, where you can support anything. I know this commercial was long enough. I gotta go. So yeah, buy Mattolina LLC today and support Mattolina LLC. Mattolina LLC. It's not a monopoly. It's Mattnopoly. Get it today. It's not a monopoly. It's Mattnopoly. Mattolina LLC. Brought to you by Mattolina LLC Foundation. Founders of Matthew and Omega. Get it today.